Hi students. So in last class, I gave you an exercise where you need to create a model of a mouse. Okay, so we'll see the mouse here. Okay, so this is a mouse that is intended to be done or created. So we'll see how it needs to be done. So first, you need to decide what kind of polygon primitives you're going to use. I prefer using a cube. Okay, so next one, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to divide it into number of segments. Okay, first I will create the length, the width. Okay, width is fine. So the height, this much is fine. Okay, the depth, this one. Okay, so the approximation. So I'm working on approximation, so it's not perfect. Okay, I'm just having this one to be my visual cue, and I'm trying to recreate the same here in Maya here. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to do right now. So next one would be, okay, fine. We'll go ahead and try start working on this. Okay, yeah. So first, I'll go to my, okay, before I start off, uh, I'll first confirm that this is gonna be my width of my mouse. Okay, this is gonna be the length of my mouse, and this is gonna be my height. Okay, approximation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my side view. Okay, no, the front. Okay, I'll go to the perspective. So what I'm planning to do here is right now add some segments. So I've not added segments here. So first I'll add the segments, the depth segments. So depth segments, why I need is I'm planning to divide mouse into two. One is the place where the button is there, and next one is the back side. Okay, so it's like two segments. So the depth would be two. Okay, it's dividing into equal halves. So let's see how it works. So next one is the height, subdivision height. So right now I'm not bothered about my height, which I'll work later. So the width. Okay. So here you have one separation here, the another separation here. Okay. So which we need to work on. So these are two separations, like one, two, and you have center in between. Okay. So this is what we need to work on. Then I'm gonna right click, go to my vertex, select it, press R, scale, bring it near. So this is come near. Okay. Hope you are able to understand what I'm doing. I'm gonna divide this one like this. So, so I'm gonna get the base here. This base kind of work. So I'm working on that. Okay. So next one, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna get this one. Okay, or everything slightly down, all the vertex slightly down. Okay, from where, sorry, from where I can work, start trying to build whatever I want to. Okay, so now I'm gonna work on the back side first. Okay, first I'm gonna get the shape. So what I'll do here is I'll select these two vertex, take it up. Okay. So in the front also, you want this one to be like slightly curved. So take it slightly outside, not so much, very little. So just make in object mode, just press 3. Okay, fine. So now what I need to do right now, selected here. So I need to create some edge loops here. So go to mesh, okay, edit mesh, okay. Mesh tools, insert edge loop tool is for, okay, edge loop here. I'm having an edge loop here. Okay, so now what I need to do, so now I need to create the extrudes. So first what I'll extrude is go to my face, okay, edit mesh, extrude, okay. So I'm extruding it here. So now you need to have a very kind of smooth edge on the back, okay. So, and also I need to have a gradual kind of tapering, okay. I need to work on that. So I'll go to my side view, okay. So what's happening? Okay, not an issue. So what I'll do here is I'll try to add some edge loops uniformly so that you get a good amount of shape, okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to my vertex, select all these vertex, sorry, it's an edge loop right now. I need to be very careful when I'm selecting all these kind of vertexes. Okay, just press W. So if it's in a straight line, you don't have much of a problem. If it's not in straight line, then you have a lot of problems, okay. So what I'm gonna doing right now here is I'm gonna align it properly so that your edge loops are proper. So I'm gonna take it one by one. Okay. Get smoothness. So this also needs to go along with it. I'm just pressing Q. Okay. So this one I need to work. So first I'm more bothered about the backside here. Just gonna press 5. Sorry, to come to my object mode. I press 3. It's coming. Still I need to add more vertex. I'm not adding more vertex just because uh, I want I don't want to add edge loops here. Okay. So I'm just trying to get the basic shape here. Okay. Or okay. So next one would be my extrude. Okay, going to my face. One, clip mesh, extrude. Sorry. So let me select both. Okay. So then again going to my vertex mode. So this will go together slightly down. Okay, this area. Okay. So now again to the object mode, to the face. So these two regions, what will happen is you'll have an extrude, but what I'll do is I'll first scale it to the center. Okay. It's better to do it one by one. So edit mesh, extrude. So first I'll scale it to the center. Okay. So again press G. G is redo. So scale it. To the top. So now you can select the vertex. Just try to bring it down. I'm just trying to create a very basic kind of primitive shape. I'm not perfectly creating the mouse. I'm just showing you the possibility with which you can create. Okay. Just for you to understand to what level we can create using these kind of tools. Same way, going to the face. So G, which is extrude. So I'm going to scale it to the center slightly. Okay. So now again G. Okay. Go to the vertex, take it down. Same way you have the vertex here, which needs to be moved up. Okay. This you can call it to be your basic blocking for your mouse. Okay. Okay. So going to my object mode. I've not applied the edge loops for my buttons here. So now what I will do is create a cylinder. Bring it out. Gonna be 90. Okay. So I'm gonna scale this. Keep it here in the center. Take it slightly up. Keep it here. So this is how we try to cover up the basic blocking. Okay. You get a sense of an idea for like how you want your mouse to be. Okay, so based upon which we will be working on the details uh, later. So now this is a basic kind of mouse which I have created. So I think it has taken me some 10 to 15 minutes. I know like how much time you people took, but let's see. So next one, these kind of wriggles here. So same kind of cylinder, take it out. So rotation in this axis, it can be 90. So try to decrease the radius, 0.2, no, 0.1 would be fine. Yeah. So okay. So scale can be slightly lesser. Okay. So number of height segments needs to be more. Okay. Face. So what I'll do here is side view. What I'm doing right now here is I'm selecting all the faces. If I'm selecting together, it's going like this. Again, smaller, it's going like this. So individually, I'll make this smaller. So it needs to be uniform. Okay. So now I'll go to my vertex. Oh my god. Sorry. Again a problem. So this is how you need to make. So this one should be constant. So then this one should be made like, okay. So now what you need to do here is go to your vertex, bring this one nearer. Okay. Bring this one nearer. This grooves. Okay. So now the groove is ready. So you can elongate it, make it nearer, and put it here for your mouse. Okay. So then else what you can do, you have the vertex here, make it go straight. Okay. Hope you're getting the idea here. Same kind of thing. It's again the multiples here. Okay. So what I'm trying to say right now here is this is no way looking like this, but the problem on the time taken is very less I've spent. So if you're trying to create one by one by visually seeing it, there is no chance that you're gonna exactly replicate what is there in the image. Okay, so that is the reason we have something called as your blueprints, or where you draw any kind of object in your front view, your side view, your top view, your perspective, and all those kind of things in all the kind of possible angles. Okay, so that you can create the object from your visualization into reality. Okay, so this is one image what I have. Okay, so you also have, I also have another image. So this is called as a blueprint. Okay, which I have downloaded from internet. So this blueprint has my bottom view, my side view, the side view on the left, side view on the right, the top view. Okay, so the creator has given me all the kind of possibilities to recreate the object without any kind of loss in detail. Okay, so even for the grooves here, so this is the kind of flexibility I need to have when I'm creating any kind of model, so that it becomes easy for me to trace it. Okay, so visually seeing and recreating 3D models is not gonna work even for an experienced person. It's not like you can't do it, it will take more amount of time. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to create image planes for creating 3D models. So I thought you people would be asking me like, sir, how to create 3D model from just one image. Okay, but unfortunately, like no one asked me. So I'm yet to see your mouse models. So if your models are collecting it, I would go through and see like how it has come out. Okay, so if it is like this, then it's fine. The basic shape with the basic kind of details. So if you want to like recreate it to the best kind of possible thing that needs to be done, so we'll see how it's gonna be done. Okay, so as of now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna save the scene as, okay, mouse underscore 01. Okay, so this is done. So what I'll do is I'll create a layer. So this is mouse 1. Okay, so which is through my eyes, whatever I've seen. So add selection, so this will get hidden. So in the same file, what I'll do right now here is, first I need to separate all these kind of images into various views. So what I'll do first, I need to open Photoshop. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so create a new print. It's like A4. Where is A4? No A4. Okay, A4. Minimize this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll open this image, desktop, mouse blueprint. Okay, this blueprint is here. So I'll drag it, drop it inside Photoshop. So right now it's going to be very small. So I'll slightly enlarge it. Control T. So when you're transforming any kind of image or a blueprints, see to it you don't stretch it like this. Okay, don't change the aspect ratio. If you're changing the aspect ratio, there are chances your model, whatever you're trying to like recreate by mm, raising it using image plane, will not be proper. Okay, so don't do this. So have an uniform scale. Okay, so what I'll do here is I'll delete the unnecessary regions so that I don't keep wasting my time in deleting those stupid areas. Okay, so I think all of you would be like very proficient with Photoshop. So that is the reason I'm going very fast. I'm not going inside details. So let's see. Okay, so this is how it looks. So enable the background. So this is my ruler. So I'll take the ruler to the sides, keep it here, and see whether it's aligned perfectly. See, this area and everything is touching perfectly. Same way. Okay, mathematically it's perfect. So the only problem here is my top view is right now very big. So I need to have an uniform kind of size. So what I will do here is I'll cut my top view, Control X. Okay, create a new layer, Control V. So now Control T. So I also need to place this in the proper size. Control T. Okay. Yeah. So this needs to match with this. Okay. Yeah. So now everything is properly placed. Okay. Control 0. So now I'll crop this image. This is your Photoshop model. Okay. So right now, what we need to do is increase the line strokes. So we'll go to like image adjustment levels. So first try to increase the darkness. Hmm, cancel it. So I'll merge layers. So adjustment levels. Hope you can see it. Yeah. It becomes easier for you to like work if it's dark in Maya. Yes, okay. So what I will do right now is save this file, save as on your computer, desktop as a JPEG, mouse blueprint underscore image plane. Okay, just show you an example how it needs to be done. So what I will do here right now here is I'll go to my press sorry F, make it bigger. Okay, this is my side view. So what I'll do right now here is view image plane, import image. So desktop, I'll create, where is my mouse? Image plane. Okay. So I'll place my mouse here. It's fixed. So then once this is done, I'll do all these kind of views. Okay, first I'll start working on my side view. I'll create my polygon. My polygon is here. So my work gets easier. So I can elongate it, stretch it, keep working, finish it fast, and boom, your model will be ready. Okay, so it's so easy to like finish your work. So what I'll do here is polycube, so subdivision height, just one. Okay, this one can be one, this one. Okay, so now just press 4. So just need to work on the vertex now. Vertex. So it's finishing here, not a problem. So first take it up. Okay, so this one will be going out. So this one will be coming in. This is my base. So vertex. I need to keep working on my vertex now. Hope you are able to get what I'm doing. I'm trying to recreate the shape in the very easiest and the most easiest way possible without any kind of hassle. Okay, with the help of Maya, obviously. Okay. So if you want to have more amount of precision, you can add more amount of polys. Try to get it. You see the shape here. Can you see? Just in few moments, we are able to create shape for the mouse. Still not smooth. Object mode. So just press 3. Can you see it? Okay. It's like so fast you can do it. So this is my side view. Sorry, this is my perspective. My side view is done. So next is gonna be my front view. Okay, so this is my front view. So what I'm gonna do right now here is, again, I'm gonna go here, image plane, import image. So going to my desktop. So I'm gonna import my mouse. Okay, so zoom out. So where's my front? Do you have a front? Nope, we don't have a front. So that's what is missing. Let's not worry about it. So you have your top. So let's work with the top. Oh my God. Same way. View, image plane, import image, desktop. You have your image plane. Top. That is the reason why I'm insisting that this is mandatory. Okay, so top is a problem right now because the orientation is totally changed. So it needs to be in this view. So this is the center offset. I'm not able to rotate it. Oh my God. So how this one should be is like this. This is the center. Okay. So this one should be new layer, pasting it. I'm rotating it. Should be like this. Then only we'll be able to get that shape. Okay. Okay, guys, done. So, how many times we work? Maya teaches you things in a different way always. So, image plane one. So, the reason why I've done it here is I've created my model in the side view. So, from the top view, if I see it needs to be in this view, not in this view. Okay. So, that is the reason it's not working properly. So, image plane, import image, desktop, image plane one. Now it's fine. Okay. Now what I'll do, I don't want this. New layer and click off visibility. Okay. So this this is scale with which again we are gonna work. So now we are gonna work on the horizontals. Okay. vertex. So don't worry, just keep scaling because life is so simple. First we'll try to get that shape. If it's uneven, that's fine. Don't need to worry. Later, when we are finishing the model, we'll try to adjust it. Okay. So first, so we are working for the base um, kind of shape, not for the top. So first, look for that. Okay. So if you are trying to create the same thing by visually seeing it, hope you people would have understood right now where this would have taken a long time for you people. So it's better you always take image planes or your blueprints if you are creating your models. So the most easiest way to create or visualize any kind of model is only through your art form. Okay, that is the reason your art teacher would have been always telling you to work on more on your art so that whatever you visualize you can easily bring it to reality. Okay, so this is it. Okay, vertex, this vertex needs to come here. Okay, this vertex needs to go here. Okay, so see how the mesh has come. Can you see how I've created it? So this is the base mesh. Okay, for the mouse. There are some iteration that needs to be done. I need to add some segments here. So this one has not come proper. So this, but overall I've got the shape. So adding more detail like this and creating these kind of objects separately and placing it, you'd be able to get all these kind of elements. So see the difference between the first one and this one. Okay, sorry, this mouse and this mouse. Okay, so now image planes are deleted. Okay, so the shape for the mouse with image plane. So here the shape is totally gone. I've at least got a shape here. Just press 3. Can you see it? It's smooth. Press 1, 3, 3. Okay. This looks more like a mouse, but this one I have not applied edge loops here. So just press 3. This looks so weird. Okay. So this is your idea, and this one is your model from your blueprints. Okay, so what I would suggest you is give it a try. Let me know whether seeing and doing it visually you're able to get good output, or trying to create the model using image planes you are able to get good outputs. Okay, so try it today and share your views, guys. Thank you. This is for a try, so experiment it. So first try to get the base shape. First try creating the side view first. Okay, So I'll tell you how to do it. So first try creating the base shape here, this base shape. So it should go only till here, and it needs to come and complete it like this. Okay, so this would be a different second shape which would be separate. This would be this buttons would be separate shapes, this button would be separate, all these things would be separate. Okay, so if you the more the individual elements, it would be easy for you to like arrange the elements finally. Okay, so in the other side also, like, see to it this shape is extension here, and you need to get this kind of flow here in the shape. Or if you're not comfortable with this mouse blueprint, you can also download blueprints from internet and try creating a basic mouse. Okay, so experiment it, and any problem or trouble, let me know. We'll have a discussion. Thank you, guys.